Okay, it looks like we're going to get a code 6 signal to go long. Setting up the order now. This is going to be a buy stop 10 quantity 36,557. Good till cancel. Trigger outside. Going to go ahead and place it. Buy stop. All right, set the exit. Attach a limit order. Okay, going to put this for the standard 80 ticks. So 557, 657, 4737, 637. 637. Okay, lines look good. You can see here. There's the entry. There's the exit. For 80 ticks. Placing it. All right. So another trade here. This is going to be a code 6 trade, and should be an easy 80 ticks. So anyway, I will come back and show it to you. I am going to be focusing though from this point forward for a little while until I'm done with videos, new video courses that I'm working on, code 4. I'm going to be just taking code 4 trades. I've got Lyft, I've got Uber. I'm going to take more code 4 trades because these are really easy to do. You don't need to watch them very much. You just need to place the exit and wait for them to get there. They get really close. You go ahead and start locking in some profit with a stop, but you don't need to worry about it very much really at all. In fact, my exits are so tight that I shouldn't need to worry about it at all. You should hit it with, I don't know the exact math behind it. I still have to figure it out, but it's very high. It's somewhere around 90%. So it's very high. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, trade has gone through here. 10 contracts long on the YM. This is a code 6 trade going for 80 ticks, 36,637. Mathematics on this trade, just like the last code 7, is very high. I still need to figure out exactly what the math is, but using these new revised codes, but it's very high. It's somewhere around 90%. So got about a 90% chance of hitting this trade at 80 ticks. I'll be back. If you're sitting in a code 6 trade like this and it starts coming down on you, one thing that you can do is look to see how many ticks it's moved so far. And you will see that it's only moved 45 ticks so far. Well, 100% of the time, as far as I've seen, it moves 60 ticks or more. In other words, it hasn't moved enough ticks yet. So we can then infer that it is going to continue to go higher than what it just went, its previous high, because it has not gone at least 60 ticks yet. Now, if it had just gone 60 ticks and started coming all the way back down, you could, to be safe, break even on the trade. But as a general rule, you don't need to do that. Only a very small percentage of the time would you need to do that. So you really don't need to do that. But I'm just saying, if you were going to be wondering whether you should get out, always look to see if it's gone at least 60 ticks and now it's coming back, then you could get out. But mathematically speaking, it'll make it to 80 ticks 90% of the time, so not much to worry about. Trade just shot up to 630 right there, 36,630, 7 ticks away from the exit, but should be able to keep on going and hit the exit with mathematical precision. I'll be back. Okay, it's going for the exit here. Well, it was going for the exit. What did it go up to? It went up to 634. Almost there. I'll come back. See, the market's going to open in a minute and 15 seconds from now. But these are the codes, and no reason to worry or anything like that. Again, these codes and these trades you see me taking, all of these can just, the orders can be placed and back turned on the trade. It will make it to the exit the vast majority of time, 9 times out of 10, roughly. So, you know, you don't need to worry about it, that the market's going to open or this and that. It's just basic mathematics. It will make it to this 80 tick exit 9 times out of 10, roughly. So, you don't need to worry about it. Just let it hit the exit. That's all you really need to do. Here comes the open, 20 seconds. Even if it were to shoot down, it would be okay because it would just come back up and hit the exit. You see, it's going to hit the exit basically almost no matter what. Okay, there's a market open. Let's see if it goes up and gets me. Almost right there. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so I'm out. What was that? Anyway, I'm out of the trade. That was a code 6 trade. And after losing yesterday's code 6, this one, code 6 usually always works, always. Super high math. So, code 6 is super good. So is code 7. They're both the same, basically, in the sense that they both work super good. Anyway, I'll be back for more trading. I may stay and update in a little while. You can see my my stock positions take off here. I'll come back. Well, I'll show them to you in the next video because I'll be showing it every day so you can see the progression of the of my code 4 positions. I'll be taking more code 4 positions soon. Anyway, I will be back with more trading.